Still think you need more light, but anyway, you're putting in a. There we go.
Magic of headlamps. Yes, we're getting ready to install the light fixture that I purchased. And hopefully everything goes A-okay.
Yeah, so far he got rid of all the chain. It was actually a lot longer to chain. But he had a
chain. I'm not going to do a swag, I'm doing a straight dangle on it. Dangle of my dangle. Jangle of my dangle. So
this is where he's going to put it at. So why did you decide to replace the old one with this one?
If you look at the fixture I put up there, and look at this up above your head, the fan.
Oh, okay.
And then this.
Ah, matches.
And then I got a wall sconce going up that also matches. And I got all this because they were all displays, so I got them really cheap.
Oh,
I
cool.
paid like $15 for this. So it was like $100-some-odd fixture. So let's get to taking down the old fixture, and then we'll get to putting that up. Alright, we gotta turn the lights off. Those screws in here. I want to keep this fixture. It says antique fixture.
Yeah, I like it.
Needs one piece of glass is missing. It's just the easy straight piece of glass to cut out. Okay, cut, no stay anywhere. You hold it.
I got it.
Yeah. Get these wires out. Alright. Get that one out of here. I have to bring that bar to the floor.
Okay.
Then we dropped the screw somewhere.
I don't know where you dropped it. I don't have my flashlights. There's this. Oh.
Pull the bag out.
Oh, come on.
Here it is.
Oh boy.
Alright. Now let's screw. Well, actually, we don't screw this on yet. Here we go. I can screw this up. Alright. Drill. Honey, can you grab my drill out of the box? Hopefully the drill bits in it. I'll wait for the drill. Yeah, don't want to do those screws. So, yeah. Let's be able to trim up here, give it a little more character if it goes with the age of the house.
Yeah, I really like the trim a lot.
And drills make life so much easier. I want to kind of be even as much as possible. That's good. Alright. Next to bring the light over.
I like the rustic look that this fixture has.
This wiring straight through here. A lot of people still up there. A lot of this would cut off. It's not down there for ease of feeding it through. Alright. Now I got it up there. Gonna feed this nut over this. Now, normally a kit would come with a fixture. It's a lot easier to do. But because this was a model, I'm having to make the housing for it out of spare parts. So I don't have the original mounting system for it. So I'm making do with what I got. Which is what you see. What you see is what you get. Now I gotta see how much I gotta adjust this nut here for the height of this to turn on. I gotta go a little bit higher, so I don't want that many threads shown. So I loosen this thread nut and tighten the top nut. Retry it. A little bit more. Might went overkill. Once this thread's on, I'll be happy with it. Yeah, that's exactly where I want it. Alright, now I'm going to snip this wire. Sorry, black cardboard box, black handled snips. They're flat wire snips. Oh.
They're all black? It's all black, right? It's not really snips, these are more like... Anyway.
Wire cutters. Alright. There. 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 Make a strip. These back. Accordingly. Now we bring the wires around to the other side. Like always, guys, power's off. Always keep the power off. We work with rubber coated wire like this. You always look for the rough side, and that's your neutral. Smooth sides, power. So this goes to white. Separate these two. And this goes to black. Does this still look like this is dangling at a good height?
Should be fine.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait. I don't know, it seems lower than I thought it was going to be.
Your head won't hit it.
No, I guess not. Should be alright.
Also, on the ground like that. Hopefully I got the wire nuts in my pocket. Orange wire nuts in that blanket.
You only need one or two, or? Here you go.
Okay. Get the ground done. goes up. Rain screws on. Like eventually so. There we go. Tightens up. And if I had light bulbs, gotta find a light bulb. I have an LED light bulb. Hey, 1 second, folks. Where's that LED light bulb at? Where's that LED light bulb I told you to put away? LED light bulb.
He wants to upload this raw, so won't be any editing in this video. So I guess I'm supposed to keep you guys entertained while he looks for a light bulb. Way to go to plan this out, Nick. Way to go. So anyway, I actually had this idea for like walking around in stores like Home Depot and Lowe's. And we're gonna walk around and just walk up to the salespeople and ask for like really suspicious stuff, like like the type of stuff that a serial killer would have. Anyway.
Which wouldn't be a LED light bulb. These are awesome, guys. They look like regular light bulbs, but they're actually LED.
And they cost how much money?
A lot cheaper than it used to be. You don't pay about $6-7 for them. They last forever.
They last forever, huh? Are they any good? As far as we're gonna find out.
Supposed to be 3 bulbs in there, but one. Oh, there's one.
Oh no, that's terrible. Are you kidding me? That's on?
But it's supposed to be 3 bulbs.
Yeah, I hear you.
It's only a 40-watt bulb.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be bigger, but it works.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, guys, that was me and Reg. Kind of quickly installing the light fixture. Not the brightest, but it's attractive. And once I get the right light in there, like I said, I just got a low voltage LED in there just to make sure it works. I gotta get some good bulbs in there, probably some daylights or something to radiate off the ceiling more. But that's that, guys. Take care. Like always, have a great day. Bye. 12 minutes. Shit. I'm probably have to trim that some.
Alright,